Hi, this is Victoria Flame Voice, and I have these beautiful friends. Yeah, that's for you, carrots. They're so cute. Yum yum. Yeah, it's a food. I hope I'm gonna have a chance to feed them. Look. Yahoo! Hello, Pennsylvania. Oh my god. I don't remember last time I've seen so much snow. And still, I believe I have a chance to feed someone. Okay, deers are gone, but I'm still gonna try to feed them because all the food is under the snow. They Someone needs to take care about them. So I keep trying to feed some birds and animals because all their food is under the snow. I know, honestly, it's so beautiful around. I hope we're gonna survive. Stay safe.